Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive east on I-70 in Missouri. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Also, I would like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins heading east on I-70 in Columbia, Missouri. From here, we'll continue east towards St. Louis, passing by Eastville, Kingdom City, Williamsburg, Danville, and finally New Florence, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 10th day of my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has not only featured a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including beautiful US 89A along the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument, and our I-70 west of Winslow to beautiful Flagstaff. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also make sure to check out the video description to see a full list of places we have been or are going to be, and also ways to financially support my channel and the creation of more road trip videos. Finally, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this or future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving east on I-70 in the Show Me State of Missouri. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button, or maybe chip it in for gas with a super thanks. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue east on I-70 in Missouri, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.